video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, tow hitch, navigation system, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.